have enough spit of my own.
Well, you've been a lovely couple. Thanks for playing our game.
You'll die without ever getting to first base. Oh, go suck a tongue.
Go to the dishes, Becky. Go upstairs and shave something.
You know, they won't always be this cute.
Yeah, I know. I hear once they hit 30, they start developing their own little personalities and stuff.
Have you talked to Becky about birth control?
Yeah, I sat her down and I said, Becky, don't.
Man.
She doesn't need to hear it. She's never going to get undressed in front of a guy. She thinks her butt's too big.
I'm not thinking. Maybe you should talk to her.
Maybe you should talk to her. Well, good point, my pet. All right, so maybe I'll have the talk with her.
But don't make it sound like we're telling her to go out and have sex.
She doesn't need our permission, Dan.
Yeah, and tell her never trust guys, because we lie big time.
Right.
I had this buddy once, very successful with the ladies. He used to tell them they wouldn't get pregnant if they jumped up and down afterwards.
Yeah, Phil D'Angelo.
How'd you know about that?
You know, I believe I will have to talk to Becky.
I told you about that, right?
Fine, fine.
And a 9er for Brian. And a 7 for Chicago Skinny and his faithful side
Yeah.
Shrimpo.
I don't know.
Hey, I ate a shrimpo.
She's just trying to rile us, boy. These dealers is wily.
Hit it. All right, 21 on the nose.
No fear, he can add.
You yahoo's gonna do.
Hit me.
DJ, we got 17. You never hit 17. Especially when you're betting 5 pretzels, understand?
Yeah. Hit me.
10 and bust. Too bad, suckers.
There's a town out in the desert with very bright lights waiting for you, boy.
Too bad Mom's making you go out to the movies tonight, Dad.
Yeah, the Bulls game's gonna be great. You should stick around.
Yep. I'd love to watch the game, but Deborah Winger's coughing up a lung at the Cineplex.
In Dolby.
Jeez, how come we can't ever do anything fun with Gary and Jackie?
Because they're family.
Talk to Becky about
I'll
the
do it. I'll do it.
thing.
Woo.
Wow, you look incredible.
Really?